Hello, happy Friday. It is Friday the 18th of July. I have a channeled message, and this one is around water and water's intelligence and how water is helping and assisting us on a cellular level. It's very fascinating, and I wanted to share it with you today. Water's job is increasing the biological genome sleeping in humanity's body, perceived as junk DNA. Soon, neurons of nervous system analyze purification of jeopardized body's DNA. Soak the body's vessel. Sharing divine wisdom underneath allows continued photosynthesis. Rendering is raised. Health and neutralizing and clearing sickness. Connection to the body vastly purifies, returning to renewed, merging the frequencies of water. Neurons heal. Alkaline water is a master healing resonance, nature's ideal neutral medicine. Keeping Earth's medicine qualitatively lessens the negative, non-natural oral medications. It is recommended to drink 8 glasses of alkaline water to clean the body, aiding in the soul's frequency. Lastly, free radicals are healed, neutralizing their levels. I am a nature elemental resonating this message. So this message is all about how water carries consciousness, it carries energetic frequency, and that when we recognize that and drink, in particular, alkaline pH water, it is healing. And I know there's data on that. I'm not a scientist and I'm not a doctor, so always follow your doctor's recommendations. But I had to look up some of this stuff because it caught me by surprise. But it's very fascinating, and I wanted to share it with you today. Thanks.